Did you know that over 1 billion people use Instagram each month? That's right. With so many users, you might be wondering how to stand out and get noticed. Well, today, I'm here to share some killer tips to help you get Instagram famous fast. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to boost your Instagram game and become an instant sensation, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving into some effective strategies that will help you rise above the noise and get the recognition you deserve. So, let's jump right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Gaining visibility on Instagram is no walk in the park. With millions of posts going up every day, it can feel like you're shouting into the void. You might be posting amazing content, but if no one sees it, what's the point? You've got to navigate a sea of influencers, brands, and regular users all vying for attention. The algorithm changes all the time, and it's super competitive out there. But don't worry. I'm here to help you tackle these challenges head-on. Exploration/development. So, what can you do to improve your chances? First up, let's talk about optimizing your profile. Your bio is your first impression, so make it count. Use keywords that represent your niche, sprinkle in emojis, and add a call to action. Next, hashtags. Oh boy, hashtags are your best friends. Research trending and relevant hashtags in your niche and use a mix of popular and niche ones to reach a broader audience. And don't forget to engage. Respond to comments, like and comment on other people's posts, and build a community. The more you engage, the more visibility you'll gain. Climax/key moment. Now, here's the secret sauce that not many people talk about: Instagram Reels. These short, engaging videos are given priority in the algorithm, meaning they can skyrocket your visibility. Try creating fun, creative content, or even behind-the-scenes looks at your life or process. Use trending music and challenges to get more eyes on your posts. Bonus tip: collaborate with other creators. Partnering up can introduce you to a whole new audience and help you grow faster than you ever thought possible. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it all up, remember to optimize your profile, master those hashtags, engage with your community, and leverage Instagram Reels. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to Instagram fame in no time. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite tip from today's video? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more social media growth hacks, don't forget to check out my other videos. Until next time, keep hustling and happy posting.